In this video, I will be teaching you guys while loops in Python. Okay, so what is a loop? A loop is basically a statement that tells the Python interpreter to continue doing something as long as a condition is true. So loops can be infinite or finite. Okay, so in this video, we're gonna do while loops. Okay, so let's create a new file and just put a comment while loops. Okay, so the syntax for a while loop is like this: while. Before that, we need like a variable for the while loop. Let's say x. X is a variable. Okay, so while x is a condition here, let's put a colon, and here will come the statements to be executed. Okay, so got it? So it's like that. Okay, so we can start building our first while loop here. Okay, so we can first set up a variable x equals say 1. Okay, so x equals 1, or better keep it 2. Okay, so while x is smaller than 9, we say print x, and we increment x by 1. Just add 1 to x each and every time x is printed. Alright, so if you don't run this, if you don't write this piece of code, your while loop will be infinite, because it will keep printing x again and again, as x will always be smaller than 9. Okay, we'll run this. We should first save it. I saved it as while loops.py. Okay, so see the result. Our first number is 2, and it keeps adding 1 to 2 till it reaches 9. Okay, so all the conditions are met, and this is our while loop. So using loops will decrease the amount of code we have to write. Okay, so there are two statements inside the while loop, which is the break statement and the continue statement. We'll first start with the break statement here. Okay, so break is basically a statement used to stop the while loop from running even though the condition is still true. Okay, so we'll check that out here. So while x is smaller than 9, we have to print x and keep adding 1 to x till it reaches 9. So we can add an if statement here. If x equals say 5, we have to break the loop. Okay, let's run that again. Yes, so x has reached 5 and the loop has been broken. Okay, so this is the break statement, and let's go on to the continue statement. Okay, so we can replace this with continue. So what continue does is, if x equals 5, it skips the number 5 and starts going 6, 7, 8. Okay, but we have to print x again. We can run that again. Alright, so it prints as, okay, so here if you see, it prints each number twice except for 5. So that's what the continue statement does. It stops iterating what the while loop says, and it continues to the next number. Okay, so now let's go on to an else statement inside the loop. Else, we have to print x is no longer smaller than 9. Before that, we add an if statement. So if x is smaller than 9, you have to print x is still smaller than 9. Now let's run it. Yes, so 2x is still smaller than 9. It keeps going till 8 and x is no longer smaller than 9. Okay guys, so this is what a while loop is. If you like the video, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive the latest updates about my videos. Thank you.